Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
Open FIFA 23 and go to the main menu to access Live Editor. Live Editor appears under the Customize or Create section depending on platform. You need an active EA account and be signed in before editing begins. Select your club or create a new team to edit badges and kits. Use a mouse or controller to move between sections and layers. Press the Confirm button to apply changes or the Cancel button to revert. Save your work often to avoid losing edits during crashes or updates. Navigate to kits to change shirt, shorts, and socks separately for each team. Select colors and pick primary, secondary, and trim hues using the color wheel. Adjust pattern scale with percent values between 10% and 200% for precise looks. Place badges on chest or sleeve and resize them with simple controls. Add sponsor text or logos and preview them on the player model instantly. Use symmetry or flip tools to mirror designs across left and right sides. Preview kits in finalize player names, positions, and squad lists inside the team sheet section. Edit tactics by setting formation, instructions, and substitution patterns for matches. Apply custom kits and tactics to save slots for fast switching between setups. Export a backup file manually to local storage every 10 minutes to protect progress. Test your edited team in a friendly-to-check kit fit and player names. Share tips on community forums and avoid uploading copyrighted logos or text. If edits fail, reload the last save slot or install updates to restore.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.